Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to attempt to try to get out a burn mark in my wood table, my kitchen table, dining room table, whatever we want to call it. But today I thought I would share a few different ways. We're going to see which one works, if they work at all, and see if we can get this burn mark out of my table. So let's get started. Okay, so here is a close-up of the burn mark, and I'm not 100%, but I believe it is a burn mark. My table is about 17 years old. It has lots of nicks and, little marks in it already. It's not new. And it's definitely something that has taken a beating with us and the kids over the years. But, when I saw this, it really is noticeable. And I want to see if I can remove this. I have done this one time before on a different table. We'll see. I have a few different ways I want to try, and we'll see if we can get it accomplished. Let's get all our materials that we're going to use, and I'll walk you through it. Okay, so the first method that I want to try to remove this burn mark is one that I read about online, and it's just using either olive oil or vegetable oil and just pouring it over it and rubbing it in with a paper towel or microfiber cloth. So let's start with that. We'll see how that goes. I'm going to use olive oil. Say that sometimes just using the olive oil alone will remove that mark, but I don't know about that. I don't know. I do see it getting a little bit lighter over on this side, but I don't really see it being very effective. I don't know how long. Okay. Yeah, I don't think exactly that it's actually really working. Okay, so the next method is doing the same thing, putting a little bit of the olive or vegetable oil and then covering it with a tea towel and running a iron on a low setting. So that's what we're going to try next. Okay, so I just put a little bit more of the olive oil on top of the mark. And what I'm going to do now is I have the iron on low setting. We're going to go ahead and use our tea towel, put that over it, and let's see. I'm hoping that it reaches from where I have it plugged in. Okay, so I'm going to go over the mark. I don't know. Looks like it's lifting it a little bit. I think it's working. I do think it's working. It looks a little bit lighter. Yes, yes it is. It is definitely working. Okay. So I guess it just takes a few times for it to completely lift. Let's see. It's looking good, my friends. Wasn't expecting it to work really. And I'll tell you a story why I didn't expect it to work in a few minutes, but let's keep going. Wow, it really did lift it. Not bad, not bad at all. Excellent. It looks good. Now what is this mark right here? Okay, it looks good. It definitely came out. I could see maybe a little bit of a shadow, but definitely this method worked really well. So if you have any, wood burn stains in your wood furniture, you may want to try this. I don't know what this mark is right here, but like I said, this table is really, it's, not new, does have a lot of scratch and marks in it, but I was happy to get that really bright burn mark out of the, off the table. So it looks a little bit better. So here it is again. I did polish it. Looks a lot better than it did. Happy with the way it came out. Okay, so I just wanted to share two other ways that I found also online to get rid of those burn marks in your wood furniture. One of them was using a combination of baking soda and toothpaste, the white toothpaste, so not any kind of gel formula, just the white. I never tried them. I was planning on trying all of these methods in this video today, depending on, but I didn't expect that olive oil and the iron to work so well. And the reason why, I told you I was going to tell you a little story. The year that my mom got sick, she was in the hospital during the holidays, and we had decided to make it easier by catering food, and this way nobody would have to, we could still have some kind of a holiday celebration but not have to worry about cooking. um, that that particular time, during that particular holiday, my mom was actually in the hospital, so she didn't really even get to enjoy it. But we tried to make the best of it at her house, and we we went ahead and had our dinner. However, we didn't pay attention when we were putting down the hot food on her wood dining table, and it did burn it. And me and my sister were very worried about fixing it. So we had used the iron method. At that time, I didn't know anything about olive oil or using that or the baking soda or the toothpaste. We just quickly researched online. They said use a warm iron. And we tried several times, and it lifted it a little bit, but not as good as today's. So we were really worried that my mom was going to be upset. And actually, she probably wouldn't have been that upset. My dad, on the other hand, may have been a little more upset. But anyway, that's why I wasn't really sure that this method was going to work, but it seemed maybe the olive oil had something, to do with it. But that is it for me today, my friends. I hope that you've enjoyed today's video and that you've learned something helpful. And if you have, please take a moment to subscribe if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family in case they need to get rid of a burn mark in their wood furniture too. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time.